Hello students, welcome to my class. Today we are going to discuss error correction. Okay. But before discussing one paragraph that contains minimum 10 grammatical errors, what we have to do? We have to discuss how to find it out. Listen, from the beginning I am telling you, if you are not good at English grammar, it's bit difficult for you to find out the errors. Okay, this is one of the chief problem. But still, by reading, to some extent, you will be able to find out some of the errors. You should not lose your hope. Okay, look, the first and the foremost important thing is you have to find out tense of the paragraph. Tense of the paragraph. Some of the silly things I will speak you. Okay. Tense of the paragraph is highly important. After tense, just go to subject and verb agreement. Okay. Subject and verb agreement is also needed. Then come to modals, preposition, voice, speech, clause, noun, pronoun, article, all these things. Means each and everything will be there. Your quantifier. So all these things are equally important whenever you are going to do the error correction. Okay. But now listen. In the very first reading, you won't be able to find out some errors. So do 2 or 3 times reading. Then only it would be a bit easy for you to find out the error. Understood the point? Now, let us discuss some of these simple things that we overlook while we are doing the grammatical error correction passage. See, we know 3 persons are there. First person, second person, third person. Normally the rule is that whenever third person singular is used, we have to use S or ES along with the verb. And if it is interrogative sentence, then you have to use do or does. So accordingly, you have to find out that what is important. And another thing, see what is there at the end of the sentence. Either a full stop is being given or a question mark is being given. If question mark is being given, you have to convert that sentence into an interrogative sentence. Okay. Normally what are you be doing? Who spoke you? Sometimes we are writing like this. But according to rule, whenever we are writing down one WH word, there must be one auxiliary verb. And the answer is, who did speak you? Okay. So likewise, you might get the error correction in your examination. Another thing, quantifier is also there. Always remember your much, many, little, few. These are referring to negative meaning. Whereas a lot of, lots of, a little, a few, all these are referring to positive meaning. This one is clear. Now see, whenever there is a comparison in between two things or two persons, you have to use comparative degree of the adjective. Means good, better, best. Okay, better when 2 people are involved and best when more than one is involved. Likewise, when point of time is being given, we have to use since. When period of time is being given, we have to use for. And when something is going on in between 2 people, they are between. When more than 2 are involved, at that time we have to use among. So all these things are simple thing that we have to mark it properly. And another thing, sometimes in the question it is given in spite to the mistake. Okay. But always remember, this is a phrase. In spite always takes off. In spite of. So mark the preposition. When phrase preposition is there, these are the standing rules. So in spite of the mistake. So here 2 is wrong. So these type of simple things you have to find out. Okay. And where there is the change of speech, where there is the change of the tense, all these things should be noticed carefully. Then only you can find out the errors. Understood the point? And there is also one rule how to write it down. Means you have to rewrite the complete paragraph. Means complete corrected paragraph, and then the place where you have done the correction, you need to underline that. Okay. So now I am going to write down one passage and we will discuss all the grammatical error which was there. Means which is there in the passage along with the rules. Okay. So now see, here I have written the complete question. So look, this complete passage is containing 10 grammatical errors. So here, listen, wherever the error is there, I will underline and will write just above it. Give me a pair of black balloons, said a boy to a balloon seller. The balloon seller looked into the boy and said, why you want the black ones? The boy said that only the black balloons go up into the sky and all others don't. The balloon seller smiled and said that it is not the black balloon flew into the air. He has filled the black balloons only with hydrogen gas. If he had filled other balloons with hydrogen gas, they would also have fly into the sky. Hydrogen gas made the balloons flying. The boy was surprised. There is one problem that whenever we are doing error correction, automatically we do utter the answer sometime. It does happen. So see, give me a pair of black balloon. So here a pair of is mentioned. Pair of spectacles. Pair of shoes. It takes the plural one. So here S is appropriate. Balloons. Said a boy to a balloon seller. The balloon seller looked into the boy. Look into means what? Look into means to investigate something. So here, how the balloon seller will investigate something in the boy? So definitely, this balloon seller is looking at the boy. Looked at the boy and said, why you want the black ones? I have told you, why you want? Why you want? WH word will take one auxiliary verb here. So as this sentence is in present simple, so here why do you want? Do will be added. Want the black ones. The boy said that only the black balloons. This sentence is not containing any error. Go up into the sky. Now you just tell me, look at the speech of this sentence. This sentence, the boy said that. It became indirect speech. Whenever indirect speech is there, always remember reporting part, reported part. The reported part will remain in the past form. Okay. So the boy said that only the black balloons go up. V1 will be V2. Okay. Went up into the sky and all others do not. Do not will be converted into didn't. Okay. Then what is mentioned? The balloon seller smiled and said that it is not the black balloon. So here go converted into went and do not converted into didn't. So the balloon seller smiled and said that it is not. So once again it is in indirect speech. So it is will be converted into what? It was not the black balloon flew into the air. He has filled. Has will be converted into had. Listen. In reported speech, simple present will be simple past. Present progressive will be past progressive. Present perfect will be past perfect. Present perfect progressive will be past perfect progressive. V1, V2. Okay. V2 had plus V3. Understood? It means am is are will be converted into was or were. Have or has will be converted into had. Do or does will be converted into did. And apart from this, some other rules are also there. Means these are the simple things. Into the air, he had filled the black balloons only with hydrogen gas. If he had filled, hypothetical condition, conditional clause came, and this is correct. If he had filled other balloons with hydrogen gas, they would also have fly. So this one will take V3 form, not V1. Also have flown into the sky. Hydrogen gas made the balloons flying. Made the balloons fly. The boy was surprised. The boy was surprised. It is in passive form. Okay. So here you did get agreement of verb with subject. This came in preposition, that is interrogative sentence, and here there is no error, only I have told you. So here it became 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one also 6. It became reported speech, and the last one became in the passive form. Okay. So here remember, you should be well versed in grammar. Otherwise, it's a bit difficult to do the error correction. So this one I have done. If you want some more grammatical error correction passages, you can contact me. In the previous class also I have given you my contact number. Okay. So any doubt, any guidance you need, you can ask me. Okay. So all of you have a nice time.